getting pregnant.
Everyone.
Girl, let me put a little prayer on you.
Cause I did this shit. More money, I want your money. I want more money. More money, more money. Once upon a time, not long ago, I was up and I'm admitting it. I won't take it.
Hi everyone, it's Adyel here, and I'm here with a special guest today. Introduce yourself.
Hey everyone, my name is Sophie. It's your girl Sophie, and today, what did we do today?
She beat my face.
I snatched, beat. I came for her face today.
The first makeup artist to do this face.
This beautiful face, guys.
Aww.
She was so fun to do.
Hey, I'm in love with this look.
Yes.
She snatched it.
Snatched, slayed, and beat her face today.
So if you want to see how she did it, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Also follow her on all her socials as well. And if you're in the Miami area, definitely book her.
I have a whole glam squad. We got hair and makeup. So if you're in Miami, hit me up, girl. I'll beat your face.
You know the drill. Girl, look, come on.
Look at this.
Come on.
Give me life right now.
Also, be sure to subscribe if you're not already. It is such a fun time around here. I would love it if you stuck around. Without further ado, let's beat this face.
Yes, girl. We're gonna do a little spray.
Yes.
Do you want to show the product?
Yes. I love her. I'm so excited for her to beat my face. Yes.
Okay. She hasn't had anyone beat her face in a minute.
2 years.
In a minute.
2 years. And the first time I did, thank you, it was a bad experience.
Yeah?
So.
Was it a friend though? Was it?
No, it was
like,
a random.
Like you paid someone.
No. It was at like a photo shoot, and it was like some random makeup artist.
No. This is MUA I Rose Water. Oh, it always scares people when I spray it at them at first because it sprays like hard. I love this spray.
I know. It's so
I got my little fan.
Aww.
This is so handy.
Yeah, guys, she's in the Miami area, so book her.
I'm gonna get some MUA Vitamin C serum. It's a little dusty, musty, crusty because it's been thrown in my makeup bag, and I've been running around with this freaking makeup kit all throughout Los Angeles and Vegas.
Oh yeah.
Hey guys, so I quickly wanted to disclaim / apologize for any weird / awkward faces I was making. Every time I keep looking to the side, and that's because I was staring at her makeup kit and like her pulling out the different products. And also, since I'm not used to getting my makeup done, I've noticed throughout editing this video that I make really awkward faces, like trying to like stay still, and I don't know, I just did not know how to act getting my makeup done. So yeah, I just wanted to apologize quickly.
So I've been doing makeup for 4 years now. Basically, it started in high school. I told you that, my senior year, and I started off being horrible at makeup. Obviously, we all start somewhere, you know what I mean? Like, you look back at 4 years from now, how you were doing makeup, and you're like, oh! You get scared, look it up, and she's like, damn, someone paid me for that shit.
Aww.
Oh, what type of skin do you have?
It's more on the dry side.
Okay, I'm so used to everyone in Miami seeing combination because of the humidity.
Oh yeah.
So it's like you go
Girl,
outside.
I was shook. Rolling around, I was
humid,
like,
right?
Ooh. There was no wind. I was like, where's the wind?
Where's the wind? Where is it? Because here in LA it's windy.
Yeah, I was like begging. I was like, can a wind just please come right now, please?
Right? Give me a breeze. So I'm getting chapstick on a little disposable. This is one of my faves, chapstick. It's from First Aid Beauty. It's a lip balm. It's super thick.
I'm excited to see like what products you use.
Yeah.
That's my favorite part, like seeing what other people use
on your face. And just the techniques. We're talking about it earlier.
Yeah.
How, like, everyone does makeup differently, so it's
I'm excited to see how you do my brows, because brows, I feel like I hate doing my own brows.
I think I'm going for, I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do, what colors, but I think I want to do something really natural but glam, like a soft glam. You know what I mean? Like a J-Lo vibe.
Yes.
So like soft glam has been my go-to lately for my girls and like my clients, and I just want to perfect that. And cream contouring. I use BH Cosmetics. This is the brow palette. It's a little used and abused.
Yeah.
But you know, that's how you know it's good. So I'm gonna get a little tiny bit and start in the front. Do you like doing your eyebrows like thicker? How do you like your eyebrows?
I have been trying to do them a little thinner.
Thinner? Okay, because I was going very soft. I mean, you have a really good shape. I don't know if I've ever said that to you, but you have really good eyebrows.
Thank you so much.
And they're like a great shape too. They're like both perfectly like shaped out.
Oh, thank you. I don't see it that way, but thank you. It's always like funny how what people see that you don't see. So we met in the DM.
In the DM, I slid in. Oh,
yes.
I was about to like.
And then we met in person at the Cardi B Fashion Nova.
Fashion Nova event. Crazy social. I just make friends through social media. I love it so much. I know. I'm so glad she's so nice because it would have been really awkward if like we didn't get along or something.
It would have been like, okay.
Has that ever happened to you?
No, it's just been more of like nothing really to talk about with some people. You know how like sometimes you have to think about like what to say and stuff. But that's because I'm more quiet.
Yeah.
So it's
so if you're with a quiet person, then it's if you're both quiet and it's just quietness. I feel, I'm super loud and I always talk.
I
always
love it though.
Something to say. It's the Cuban in me.
I love it.
I'm feisty. I'm Sagittarius.
Aww.
That looks a little crazy right now, but I'm just gonna get some concealer. Sometimes, like when I first start doing makeup on a client or on a person, I'm like, oh my god. First it starts off crazy, but I'm like, makeup has to look ugly before looking pretty.
Exactly. It always does.
I say it to all my clients, so that's why when they're looking in the mirror, I'm like, don't look at the mirror. You're gonna look crazy.
You're like, stop.
Concealer is my life. It's like my eraser.
Yeah.
So anytime I have like a little line that I have to erase or like a winged eyeliner I have to fix, that's what I go to.
Is it hard doing wing liner on other people?
Yes and no. I think it just really depends on the shape that they have.
Okay.
You know what I mean? And you can't look at the viewfinder.
I won't. What's your favorite part about doing makeup?
Right now it's been, I think, the face. Because I've been getting more into cream contour. And it's like challenging, you know, to figure out the different shapes and how to like work with different faces. So I mean, I've always been cream contouring, but now is when I'm really trying to like go ham on it. You know what I mean? Just inspired by Scott Barnes.
How often are you like taking clients?
So it's my full-time job. It's my only job right now. So every weekend and throughout the week, I was working at a boutique doing makeup for like their studio shoots, and that was like I like to call it my 9 to 5 because it was Monday through Friday. But personal clients started getting so busy on the weekdays that I was like, gotta be available for my personal clients. But I have a team of girls back in Miami, so I have a hairstylist, I have a makeup artist, and so I'm the head MUA, and then we have the next lead artist, which is one of my really good friends, Daniela, and then the hairstylist, which is an amazing hairstylist. We got the whole glam squad, girl.
Yes, go book them.
Right, next time I have to come out with them so we can do your hair makeup. I didn't have time to do all my clients, and at the end of the day, I'm only one person.
Exactly.
And they can help me out, and I can help someone else out and give them work and give them clients.
Yeah, that's so. It's always good to have like people that you trust working with.
Yeah, 100%. And in business, it's really important.
Yeah,
super important.
Because if you don't like who you're working with, do you like to start with face first or eyes first?
Eyes. Yes. Eyes, but I think today because I want to use some shimmer and I don't want it to fall out. So we're gonna do eyes. I was like, no.
You're like, actually.
It really just depends on the look. I'm gonna use LA Girl now.
Yes.
Shout out to LA Girl. And I'm just trying to change how I do makeup.
Yeah.
And it's been trial and it's crazy because it feels like I'm learning my craft all over again. Because I'm trying to change my techniques, and it's hard because when you're so used to doing one thing on every single client over and over again, it's hard to get out of that. But I just want to just create. I don't want to worry about this and that. I just want to start, just start. Just do it. Just do the art and see where it takes me, and not plan it out. Because I'm such a planner.
I know.
Like, anytime I have a client, I'm like, okay, so what are you wearing? What are you doing? What's the occasion? Do you like this? Do you like that? And, I still want to do that, of course, to cater to the client's look. But at the same time, I just want to, be free with it and, just try new things. Because, Instagram gives us that platform where we're able to freaking learn a whole bunch of new techniques. And as makeup artists and makeup enthusiasts, we need to take that and, that was deep.
That was deep.
That was deep.
Yes. Yay, I
love
love this palette.
I got soft glam.
I told her when she got here, I was like, do whatever you want.
Just beat my face. I'm grabbing orange soda, and that's what I'm using as a transition color. I love being able to have friends that understand what I do. We were talking about it earlier. We love our homies and our friends that have been friends for years. But it's also amazing to find someone who you can relate to on a business level. It's hard when you have friends that suck at taking pictures, okay?
Yes, that's
okay?
true. Or they get annoyed and they're like, oh.
Yeah, or get annoyed. It's tough, and I get that because they're not that's not for them.
Exactly.
So it's awesome to have friends that understand hey girl, can you get this picture of me? It's gonna take probably forever, but the low angle, the high angle, the side.
It's because some people they'll take it as oh, you're conceited,
or you're using me as well, there's some people that do that, know, I'm not saying that's not us, but it's just fun to have a friend that understands where you're coming from, and that gotta get that content for the gram, you gotta post at 3, you gotta post at 6, we gotta go and get that content. Are you a transition shade type of girl, or do you go straight in with the color?
No, I'm a transition.
So we're gonna get this color, I don't know, churro. Churro sounds good right now, girl. You're turning 20 this January coming up?
I'm turning 21 this December. And then,
okay.
Since it's December 23rd, so close
That's
to Christmas.
right. You told me, we just talked about this.
I think I want to go like in January.
In January, yes, you should go. And there's vacation. Aren't you on like That's you should come to Miami, and then we can do something.
Yes.
Go to like the club.
Yes.
Oh, do you like this color? I'm living for this green.
I love it. It's called Dirty Money.
Dirty Money. Yes, honey. Look at that. That's a really nice color. Do you want to? We're gonna use it. Ooh, girl. Have you done a look with this?
No, I haven't. Not with that specific green. No.
Honey.
Yesterday I just did with the blue.
I think I saw it. That's a moment. That's a moment right there. I might even add a little bit more gold on top. And I also think lashes is so important.
Yes.
Like,
I'll be doing my eyeshadow and be like, oh, the lashes will make everything.
Everything. The lashes will cover it.
And I've always wanted to freelance, but I'm always like, it's hard driving, like, because I wouldn't want to have people like
at your house.
Yeah, and it's scary to me because I'm so used to my face. I feel like I'd be so intimidated to like every time I'd get so nervous.
Yeah, no, I mean, I used to get nervous in the beginning. It came to a point where I'm confident in my work, but but it just really depends because sometimes I have these some clients that have certain face shapes, eye shapes, or like if there's a really important client that will like I'll get scared. You know, I'll get nervous. I'll blend her out because she's coming out a little crazy. It's always one eye for me that like I have to fix on.
It's like, please just cooperate.
Cooperate with me, guys. It's there.
I'm obsessed.
So we have the lashes on.
Yes.
What lashes do we use?
These are Boss Babe by V Beauty Store.
Boss Babe. This literally completed. Look, we also did winged eyeliner off camera because we were talking a little bit of shit.
I love
and we were just.
They look so good. I don't know what you're talking about.
I was stressing. I was like, she's so good at winged eyeliner. I'm gonna freak them up.
And they're like exactly the shape that I love.
Yeah. I tried to shape them up. I saw that you shaped. We're gonna do Becca backlight. This is my fave for people that have like dry to normal skin. I usually put Really? Girl, you're gonna glow, honey.
Yes.
You gonna glow. Have you ever like paid to get your makeup done like back in the day when you didn't do makeup?
Actually, no. I just would do really shitty makeup on myself. Like I would just because where I grew up there was not a lot of makeup artists or
yeah it wasn't a thing.
No.
I feel like back then it wasn't a thing though.
Yeah,
makeup artists, I feel like MUAs kind of just became a big thing.
Yeah.
Now.
I think like whenever I would want to do makeup, I would just watch YouTube tutorials and then pray. And
pray and hope.
For both my proms, I did my own makeup. But I look back, 8th grade, I didn't even wear makeup. I started wearing makeup in like 10th.
But you said both of your proms. You went to 2 different proms?
Oh yeah, it was junior prom and senior prom.
Oh, you guys have junior prom.
But I look back and I don't think the makeup was terrible, although I used a powder with flashback for my junior prom.
No way.
And I didn't know what flashback was.
Yeah.
So I looked back at the pictures and I was like,
what is that?
I was like, what?
So this is ABH. These are the like liquid glows.
Ooh.
So I just like to put it on the collarbone. Yes, I see it. She glowing. Face tapes.
Yeah.
A lot of people, there was actually a lot of controversy with these because they had a first launch and that didn't do well. So this is the second launch of it.
Oh,
yeah.
Interesting.
So these are amazing. Okay, this is a little too tan, but I'm gonna start off with this and then we'll lighten up the center of your face. Because your body's really, do you do a dark face? Like, not dark face,
yes,
but like
usually
a tanner
I have to go
face.
darker, yeah, because
your body's tan. Look at how tan your shoulder is.
I know.
Your shoulder's like the tannest thing in your body right now. But I'm gonna lighten this up a little bit because I'm not happy with how it's a little too dark. You feel me? So we're gonna bring it all down your neck because she's looking a different color right now. But is this your regular tan? Like this is a real tan that you have?
Yeah, on my arms. Yeah.
So you're tan. She's a tan baby.
I can get tan, but
she can get tan, but it just
usually I cover my face and my neck, like when I am tanning, or I'll have makeup on.
Of course,
so,
you shouldn't get sun on your skin, you know, on your face. Okay, honey, she's looking tan and golden and brown. Now I'm getting the LA Girl just to highlight her, like under her eyes, really nice and bright, because I like some bright under eyes.
So, girl, are you trying to get engaged? What's the
What's
deal
the
with
tea?
you?
I've been with my boyfriend for 5 years now, but it's definitely like next step. But we've been together for so long and we're so young.
Aww.
So we don't want to rush it either. You know, we want to live life, and he's in dental school right now, so he has a few years until he's done with school. So I think right now I finished school, but he still has a lot. So I think we're trying to focus on him finishing first. And then, you know.
Exactly, and when you know, you just know, and it's like, you don't have to put marriage.
Yeah.
Like,
well, don't get me wrong, your girl wants to get married, you know?
Okay,
She's already on her finger sometime soon. Because we've been dating for a long time.
Yes.
But I try not to pressure him.
Aww. You guys would have such cute babies.
I say the same thing.
Like, such cute. Everyone's getting pregnant.
Everyone
Girl,
is
let me put a little prayer on you.
Right?
Girl, like
Honestly, I want to get pregnant, but ever done your makeup? Really?
Not even Kiara.
I feel honored, honey.
I know.
I flew all the way from Miami to be in your face. It's crazy. You know, you're one of the few people that, like, when I came here last in May, you're one of the few people to, like, be down to meet up.
Really?
And even this trip too, I've messaged like a lot of people, and it just goes to show, like,
Aww.
I've messaged a lot of people and I'm down to.
You don't need them in your life then.
Amen, honey.
And you're such good energy and good vibes.
Thanks.
You're like a little ball of fun.
I'm literally
love
a ball of
it.
energy is what I am.
Dude, so the Fashion Nova party, I was freaking out because I didn't know if I was going to be able to get in because your girl under 21.
Yes.
And me and her made up this whole plan. I was
We made
dead.
it up, we finessed it. Okay, I'm gonna highlight you just a little bit more. Just looking, you're a little too bronzy.
Like voice that you do is like,
Thanks.
reminds me of New York.
Literally, I don't know why. I think it's because I'm staying with my friend, and she has like she's Italian, like
Yeah.
from New Jersey.
Italian,
so
that's
like,
what it is, yeah.
so extra. Like I literally sound like I'm from New York right
You do.
It's been a little
more than me.
now, right? And I'm Cuban. Now we're gonna look up. We're gonna lighten her up with powder using the Cover FX powder. Damn silence. Is it this way? What happened here? You have a scar.
Yeah, I got a dog bit me when I was 8 months old.
8 months old.
Yeah.
So you don't remember it, right?
No, I'm just so used to Snap, so then I always re-upload to Insta.
You know, and the filters are better on Snapchat, let's be real. You know what I mean? You told me that you had a nickname. What was your nickname? I feel like you told
People
me.
call me Addie. I used to hate
Adel-
that. Oh,
Adela?
my mom, like, she pronounces it the Hispanic way, like Adyel.
Adyel. Yeah. That's what we talked about this last time, how there's like a Spanish way to pronounce it.
I wish my mom taught me Spanish.
But you understand it.
Yeah.
You understand some of it. That's good that
It
you
was because my dad, you know, I was his first kid. He didn't know that babies were able to
be bilingual.
Yeah.
You know,
so-
but it slows you down. You know that, right?
So he was like, I don't want her to not be able to talk to me.
Oh, you're looking like a tan. People are gonna be like, damn, that's orange.
No,
I think it
it's
looks
not.
so good.
It's not arms. Like, look. come
It
on.
matches. It matches. You're really tan right now, though. I feel like you got tanner from
Yeah.
the last time I saw you.
I didn't tan as much as I would like, but when I'm in the sun,
You
I
get-
get dark.
For the glow, cause you a hoe. I had to. Like, it rhymes. You know, I gotta put that in.
Not long ago, I was.
So,
Take it back.
you literally hear every conversation people have walking down the street.
Yeah. Sometimes I hear people yelling at their mans.
Yeah, you with the tea.
One
The
time
tea.
there's like a homeless guy like all night was saying, I'm gonna fight you, I'm gonna fight you. I thought there was like a fight going on. Turns out I come out in the morning, he's yelling at a fire hydrant.
Dead.
So I was like,
That's hilarious. LA, that's LA, girl.
So I was like, this city literally. Like in the Midwest, like
Mhm.
all the other states, they'll
Uh-huh.
put the homeless people on buses and send them here.
Yeah, there's an issue with homeless people. Oh, honey.
Yes.
Honey, she glows. The lashes feel.
Could feel good.
Yes. Done, honey. She looks so cute. She looks so cute.
Hey.
She's looking like a
I'm
bronze
dead.
goddess.
Yes. Thanks to Sophie.
Yes, honey.
Okay, so this is the final look.
Final
I'm
look.
obsessed with it. Thank you so much.
No, thank you, girl. It was so much fun doing this beautiful face. Honestly,
I love her.
you have the perfect face for
Aw,
makeup.
thank
That's why I was
you.
like, I need to be your face. The first, like, I told you, I was like, we need to do a video. I need to be your face. As long as I have my hands on your face.
Aw, thank you,
Girl,
girl.
I'm so
Thank
happy I was
you.
able to beat your face.
Girl, it
It's
looks
like-
so good. Thank you.
Oh my god, I'm sad that I'm leaving. It's so bittersweet.
I know, but you guys need to follow her, keep up with her. I've been
Definitely.
keeping up with you.
Oh, girl, okay, I keep up with you.
Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.